Hey guys, welcome to Computer Conversation. In this video, I will discuss on basic things of computer network. So let's start. Let's first know what is a network. In computing, a network is a system in which two or more than two computers are interconnected to each other. This enables the computers in the network to share data and resources with other computers. There are generally three types of network: local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Let me discuss each of them. First is local area network or LAN. LAN refers to those types of network which are confined within a small geographical area like office, schools, or any institute, etc. Ethernet cables, generally colored in blue or grey, are used for setting up the network. Registered jack 45 or shortly RJ45 connectors are used to connect those cables. This network is useful for sharing important files or documents within any office or school. Below is the diagram for the idea of local area network. Next, coming to Metropolitan Area Network or MAN. MAN refers to those types of network which are confined within a larger geographical area like cities or towns, etc. Local area networks of different areas are used for setting up the network. This type of network is very useful for sharing information within the city. Below is the diagram for Metropolitan Area Network. Coming to the third type of network, which is Wide Area Network or WAN. WAN refers to those types of network which covers large area and are not confined like LAN and MAN. These are set up by wires that covers large distances. This type of network is very useful for sharing information to different branches of an institute or to all people, maybe within a country or the whole world. After learning the types of network, let's see some of the characteristics. First is sharing resources from one computer to another in a network. Second is performance, which is how fast and efficiently data can be transferred from source to destination. Third is reliability, which is in case data transfer from one source failed due to hardware or any connection problem, then data from other sources can be transferred. Fourth is scalability, that is network performance or size can be increased. And fifth is security, that is you can protect your data in the network from unauthorized access. Now for setting up the network we need some hardware. Here is a list of some basic network hardware. These are network interface cards or NIC, network cables, routers, repeaters, hubs, switches and bridges. Now let me tell you each of their uses, one by one. First is network interface card. NIC is a very important part of a network. It is a component of a computer system that is used to connect to a network. Second is network cables. To transfer data in a network, we need a medium. These cables are the transmission medium. RJ45 connectors are used to connect those cables. Next is routers. Router is an important device to transfer data packets between different computer networks. There are ports which are connected by network cables to computers. Next is repeaters. These are used to regenerate a receiving signal to transmit to longer distances. Next is hubs. Hubs are devices with many ports used as a repeater where input at any port is supplied as output to all other ports. Next is switches. These are the devices with many ports in which input is taken through a port and uses switching technique to send the data to a particular device and sends through a particular port to the device. Lastly, bridges. These are the devices to connect two separate network segments. It forwards data packets from source network to destination network. Below is the diagram of two network segments connected by a bridge. I tried to discuss the topic easily and I hope everything was clear to you. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified further. Comment if you have any doubts.